And here we are by popular demand.
Our second cooking show. And they said it wouldn't last. We had tons of our clients, like all 4, that wanted us to go to their house and make something. But Julie won. She beat them out.
And we're going to be cooking Aunt Hoey's cookies.
Actually, Julie's cookies.
Okay, tell us a little bit about Aunt Hoey.
So Aunt Hoey was one of my mom's sisters. She came from a family of 8, 2 boys, which were twins. And Aunt Hoey was born in 1905, born in Iowa. So she's
Nice.
Born on the farm. The reason we're in Hoedown.
Yes.
And every Christmas she would make Julie's cookies. And I always look forward to it because she would put them in a coffee can, empty coffee can. And I was so excited at Christmas time because I knew what was in that coffee can.
All right.
So anyway, hence Julie's cookies.
All right.
Okay, so tell us. So are you gonna help us do it, or are we doing it?
I think you should take it on. But
Misty, you start.
What do you do with that?
Oh,
what's
no,
this?
no. Wait,
Is that in the
Oh,
cookies?
that was not in the cookies.
Is it?
This is where I leave.
no, that's so mean. Oh my God.
All right,
Okay.
so here's the recipe.
Well, we have sugar, Morton salt, Trader Joe's quick oat, vanilla extract, Lando Lake,
Cocoa powder.
butter. We love us some butter. Okay, we're gonna start our break early since she brought us some wine. Break first, right? It's like having dessert first. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, let's start.
Line the baking or cookie sheet with parchment paper or wax paper and set aside. Mix together the white sugar, butter, and milk in a medium saucepan, and you bring it to a rolling boil.
Thank you, Lando Lakes. Tonight's butter of choice.
Okay, people, so now we're gonna take this and we're gonna start the stove.
And I'm gonna prepare
Okay.
our cocoa, add cocoa in the quick oat, not the slow oats, the quick ones.
Woo! Okay, so we're gonna bring this.
Okay.
May I
Oh.
use the spatula?
Is this quick oats?
Yeah.
Like that? Very interesting. Have you guys seen what quick oats look like? I've never known. Where's our vanilla?
Yeah.
Our salt. Okay. Is what? I'm gonna get there, I'm sure. Okay. So a good thing to do, not kidding, is to clean up as you go because nobody wants like a pigsty.
Okay.
And I don't know where the trash is.
I will be
So
cleaning
I'm gonna
up
throw it on that side where the camera didn't see
that
the
way.
shit. So Julie, how often do you make these cookies?
I've only made them once for my husband Ross.
Did he like them?
I believe he did. He likes most things.
We don't know if these are any good. 'Cause she
She's
hasn't
made
had
them
since she
once
was a
in like
kid.
she's made them once in 20 years. If they're bad, you're not gonna call them Julie's cookies anymore.
If they are bad, they are called something else. Okay, I'm going to page 2. Oh yeah.
Well, wait, the butter's not melted yet.
Oh boy.
Do we need another?
Wait for baking.
Need another
wait for another break. Another break. So now we want to add 1/3. Wow, that's a lot of cocoa.
So on the cooking shows, they do like that. So do like that.
It's a
Feels
little
like it's
liquidy.
a little wet.
Well, let's see.
Can we add some more?
No. Drop a tablespoon of the mixture onto the prepared
Look,
base.
added 2 pinches of salt.
But see what happens when you drop just one, because they are supposed to flatten out a little bit. That's perfect. That's what they're supposed to look like.
Oh, okay.
See how they just plop out there,
Are you
and
sure
they're going to
it's
flatten
like
a little bit, and
Plop,
then they
plop,
chill.
fizz, fizz.
Really? Oh, that's what we do. We chill them.
Yeah, they're going to chill either out here
Okay.
like this or in the refrigerator.
So it's basically a chocolate oatmeal cookie without the chips and without the meal of the oat. The meal of the oat. That is like
What does that mean?
I'm going to bring it back to real estate. If you are doing it right, you're working with someone that you trust and family. This is our client and our friend now because everybody we work with we enjoy their presence.
To add is what's made our friendship so special is because you two are who you are. You are
No hiding it.
No hiding. Yes, absolutely no hiding. They're genuine. They're fun. They'll tell you exactly what. Sometimes what you don't want to hear, but they're honest. And I want to trust my real estate professionals. So I thank them for that, and I'm so grateful they're here.
Thank you.
I love you guys.
This is better than the last one.
Okay. So since we're not at a professional shop, we're literally at her home, and we don't have a fast quick freeze. We're gonna go ahead and use the outdoors because it's chilly.
It's at least
70 degrees.
70 degrees. So it's
we're gonna
cooler
put it
out there than it is in
So we're
here.
gonna let it cool outside.
Come on.
We'll be back. So I took these out of the deep freezer, the backyard.
All right, let's see what's going on.
Let's move the board.
All right,
Okay.
let's take
Ooh,
them
yeah.
off.
Oh yeah.
Very
They're
nice.
a little sticky.
Oh, they still feel a little soft.
Can I eat one?
Sure. Why not?
We will allow it.
They're divine.
They need to be harder. Stiff.
They're perfect.
I'm happy. Cheers, ladies. We did it.
Delicious. So, if you want us to cook something for you, you gotta send us
Call
a message.
somebody else. We're not doing it.
No,
Maybe
I'm
we'll.
an excellent cook. Look at these. Message us, follow us, subscribe, please.
And happy holidays.